What is going on, everyone? I am back with another video, and I don't post a lot, so when I post on YouTube, that means I have something really good. If you guys want to give me any video ideas, I do have a AI educational Discord server. I will have that in the description below. You guys can join. It's completely for free. I share all my resources, tutorials, and then of course you can contact me one-on-one, and I'll give you all my help for completely free. But let's get to this video. This is about 175 leads. We have detailing, we have HVAC, more detailing, roofing, tree services, more HVAC, all in different areas, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can get these leads for your business, whether you're trying to sell to service businesses, so plumbing, HVAC, any type of contractor, or if you're looking for roofers or dentists or restaurants, whatever type of business you're looking for, I'm going to show you how to get leads like this. Alright, so this is Callsheet. This is a platform that I just finished building, and it's finally up and running for production. And I just want to go over it with you guys a little bit. Regardless of the type of business that you're in, whether you're selling AI services with an AI consulting company, whether you're in marketing or some type of SMMA, or if you have a SaaS or whatever business that you have, you're gonna need people to sell it to. Callsheet actually has some really good features that I'm going to tell you guys about. I'm not going to bore you guys. I'm not going to go through every single thing. If you want, you can pause the video and read all the descriptions for it. I don't want the video to get too long. I'm just going to go over like the main things about it, what it does, and how it can help you guys. It finds local businesses in your niche. It scores every lead against your specific offer, and it hands you a tailored call script. For every lead that it pulls, it gives you a script with it. A dollar figure showing what each lead is likely leaving on the table. So you're no more guessing who to call first. It's a smart search, offer aware scoring, dollar value return on investment, and tailored call scripts. So let's go ahead and actually try it out. So you go ahead and sign up or sign in. Alright, and we are inside. So once you're signed up, you'll see your account down here at the bottom, and you'll see the free trial. You have 0 out of 20 trial leads left to use. So this is the main dashboard. This is where you're actually going to look up the leads, the niche that you want, and the city that you want. And again, you need any city in the entire world. It does not matter. And then it will show you your previous searches, your folders if you want to create some, just to keep your leads organized. You can organize them by reached out, closed, meeting booked, etc. The billing section, and then of course your account settings. So let's go ahead and try it out just for the sake of the video. I'm just going to do detailing, and let's go detailing in Houston, something I haven't done yet. Alright, so we just got our results back. So let's take a look. We have the business name, the phone number, if it has it, the score, the estimated yearly loss, and the status. Now, if you look down here, you can see it says 7 out of 20 trial leads used, which means it doesn't count against you for the ones that don't have phone numbers. Okay, only the ones that actually have phone numbers and that you can contact. Alright, so let's take a look at some of the information that we got back. So first we have the business name, the phone number, the score, the estimated yearly loss, and the status. So the really cool thing about this part, I would say, is the score and the estimated yearly loss. First of all, it scores it based on how much that business is losing a year. So you already have an idea of what you want to tell them and the pain point that you want to sell them on before you even dial the phone, which is really good. Because it gives you information about the business that you can go in and kind of already have something to talk about. So we can see here, this was a score of 95 because this business is losing over $100,000 a year to their operations or their marketing. So let's look at Child's detailing right here. There is a score of 66, and they're missing out on $65,520 a year. Okay, and the cool thing also is once you have the drop down for the business, once you click the drop down for the business, it also gives you the estimated team size, their average service value, so how much they charge on average per customer, per detail, how many missed calls they have a week, how many lost jobs per week, their monthly loss, and the date added. And I know you guys might ask, well, how are you getting this information? In the workflow that I built to come up with this, there is a return on investment calculator that I built myself. It scrapes the lead and it scrapes it to such detail that it's able to calculate based on what it finds about the business, and it comes up with this information. And this information is very useful to you. And then you even have right here the status. You can pick not contacted, contacted, follow up, closed, or won, and then not interested. And then you can even save it to a folder, create a folder. We can just call it, we can call that folder contacted once, add it to the folder. And then the really good part, my favorite part about this is it gets script. So you can generate the script on this lead. And then boom, it generates you a customized opener for the business and for your offer. So hi, this is Rachel from Tech Boost Solutions. I came across Shaw's Detailing and noticed you're a well-established auto detailing shop. Many businesses like yours struggle to stand out in a crowded market, but with the right technology, you can. Our team at Tech Boost Solutions helps businesses like yours leverage AI for marketing and growth. That's honestly pretty good. Obviously, in your guys' case, it's going to say your business name instead of Tech Boost Solutions. And then, of course, you can still replace our offer with your offer to make it more tailored. And then, so if we go into searches, we can see that we have our 7 leads from detailing in Houston. We have our folder of businesses that we have contacted once, and we still have trial leads left to use. So this is an amazing platform to use when you want to find consistent and tailored leads and have information about the lead going into the call. So again, call sheet 10 out of 10. If you guys do want to check it out and use it, the link will be in the description. If you guys have any questions for me about it, if you guys think there would be any additional features that you like to see on it, my Discord group will be in the description as well. You can join it, find me in there, and talk to me, or just leave your suggestions in the Discord chat. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You know where to find me. Leave me some video suggestions down below if you are getting into AI and there's anything that you want to learn. Again, the Discord is the place for that, or just leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe if you want to see more.